To my mama baby in heaven, happy Mother's Day. To my mother-in-law na gwapagbutan po, Nanay Libby, happy Mother's Day. And of course, to my beautiful daughter, Eljoy Guliamat Labial, happy Mother's Day. Og syempre, ako ang daughter-in-law na si Chacha. Happy Mother's Day. And to all universe, happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Hindi ako mother.
Ang ganda ng handwriting mo.
Ate Ang.
Wow, thank you.
Dalaga ako.
Ang Ate Bes, ngayon mo talaga yan ihatid para maano niya talaga
Sino?
na Mother's Day sa Ate Bes.
Si Mother's Day po.
Same to you, Happy Mother's Day.
Same to you,
Bunso, ibigay mo yung
salamat.
natin sa kanya, Bunso. Pang Mother's
Oh.
Day, ano.
Here. Shawarma?
Hindi.
Shawarma.
Yan,
More than
badakuan.
shawarma. Special.
Oh,
Special na
tingnan mo.
nilabas ni Ate Ann.
Ito, nagsabaw na yung salad niya.
Special nilabas niya.
So, Happy Mother's Day.
Thanks.
Sa anak kong beautiful na si Eljoy Kulyamat Labial, Happy Mother's Day. Kati Inday Teresita Gumisad, Happy Mother's Day. Kang Mary Chris Gumisad, kang Girly Kulyamat, kang Timbot sa tanan-tanan all over the world, Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, may pan pa.
Sosyal.
From Labagit.
Labagit yan. Te, picture tayo na kaganon, te. Picture mo, te.
Cheers.
Bunso,
Video,
tinuunan mo.
video yan, hindi picture.
Pero picture mo. Patayin mo, te.